Hello, coffee enthusiasts. Welcome back to Coffee Lovers Hub, where we blend coffee wisdom with life's daily brew. Today, we're stirring up a delicious topic: coffee and work-life balance, finding harmony. Join us as we explore the secret recipe for balancing your caffeine-fueled work life with your much-needed personal life. The daily grind. We all know it too well, don't we? But what if we told you that your daily coffee can be the secret sauce to finding balance? If you're new here, welcome. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification button to always know when we post such informative coffee videos. Tea's all about brewing your priorities, one cup at a time. Let's start with the morning ritual. That sacred cup of coffee is your morning anchor. The aroma, the taste, the promise of a new day. It's your me time in a mug. So, why not blend it with a few morning stretches or a quick meditation? It's like a shot of zen in your cup. Now, let's tackle the office hustle. Coffee and productivity? They're best friends. Your coffee break is your chance to recharge and refocus. And remember, you're not procrastinating. You're marinating your ideas. The midday slump. We've all been there. But coffee isn't just for mornings. It's your midday pick-me-up. A well-timed cup of joe can turn your slump into a jump. Just don't bounce off the walls. Here's a secret sauce for work-life balance: breaks. Coffee breaks, to be precise. Taking short coffee breaks with colleagues can build camaraderie and boost teamwork. Just remember, it's a latte, love. Coffee and creativity go hand in hand. That's right, your coffee break is your think tank time. So, if you're stuck on a project, take a coffee break. It might be the missing espresso in your ideas. But what about decaf? Is it the enemy of productivity? Not at all. Decaf can be your evening peace treaty with sleep. Sip it, savor it, and let it gently guide you to dreamland. Now, let's talk weekends. Coffee doesn't take days off, and neither do you. Make your weekend brew a treat. Explore new beans, try unique recipes, and savor every sip. And if you're an adventurer, don't forget to bring coffee along for the journey. In conclusion, coffee and work-life balance isn't about juggling cups. It's about blending your love for coffee with a harmonious life. If this brew-tiful journey has inspired you to find your coffee life balance, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your fellow coffee aficionados. Until our next blend of wisdom and brew on Coffee Lovers Hub, may your coffee be strong, and your life be balanced.